Subscribe to RA Solutions by clicking on the subscribe button and clicking on the bell icon to receive notifications. Hello there, welcome to another video by RA Solutions. In this video what I'm going to be doing is showing you how to save this PowerPoint presentation as a PDF document. So how to convert it into a PDF document. So I've got this PowerPoint presentation already open here in front of you. Now what I'm going to be doing is a 2-slide PowerPoint presentation telling you a bit about what RA Solutions is about and a title slide there. Now what you can do, this is PowerPoint 2016. You go to the file option here, the file tab, click on that, go down to where it says save as, and now in save as you go to browse, because you're going to choose the location of where you're going to save it. Click on that, it will bring up this pop-up here. Now what you do here in this file name and save as type, you give it whatever file name you want to give it. So for the purpose of this video I'm going to put in RA Solutions, and in the save as type, this is key because this is where you need to change the option from where it says PowerPoint presentation PPTX to an Adobe PDF file. That's the PDF file there. Click on that and then click on let me just save it onto my desktop, and then in there I'm just going to click on save. So click on save, and what you will see, that PowerPoint has been saved. It's now asking me how do I want to open that document. I'll open it up in either Adobe Reader, Adobe Acrobat DC, Google Chrome. There's lots of different options for me based on my computer. I'm going to open it up in Adobe Reader, so click on OK, and what it's going to do is going to open up my presentation as a PDF document now. So you can see the PDF icon there. It saved it as a PDF icon, and that is my presentation ready and rearing to go in my PDF document. So if you want to send that via email to somebody, making sure that they're not going to edit or take your information, you can send it as a read-only PDF document to a colleague, a friend, or maybe even a student, so they can read what's on there but not make any changes. If I right click on my taskbar, go to show the desktop, you can see my PDF document is saved somewhere on there. There you go, it's there. Look, if I move it across, here it is, rasolutions.pdf, and if I double click on that again, open it up, this time it's opened it up in in Edge, Microsoft Internet Explorer Edge, and you can see that PDF is opened there. It's saved as a .pdf. So that was a quick and easy way to show you how to save a PowerPoint presentation as a PDF document. I hope that video has helped you. Please like, subscribe and share.